Discover 20 cool woodworking tools every smart woodworker needs to upgrade their craft. These innovative gadgets are designed to boost accuracy, speed, and creativity in every project. From clever measuring tools to powerful cutting and shaping accessories, each item helps you work smarter, not harder. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tools can transform your workshop. Rockler Material Mate Panel Cart. The Rockler Material Mate Panel Cart is a smart 2-in-1 solution for handling sheet goods and creating a flexible work surface in any shop. Its tilting top lets you easily load and maneuver 4x8 panels, while the adjustable height transforms it into a sturdy shop stand or outfeed table. The narrow footprint fits through 30-inch doors, and the 4-inch casters ensure smooth mobility. Built with a durable steel frame and rated for 150 pounds, it's ideal for small shops and job sites. SpeTool Router Lift. The SpeTool Router Lift, P01002, is a precision-built, all-aluminum system engineered for smooth, accurate height adjustments and convenient above-table bit changes. Its universal clamping design fits routers from 65mm to 107mm, eliminating the need for adapters. With micro adjustments down to 0.001 inch, a rigid anodized plate, and ultra-smooth guideposts, it delivers exceptional control and durability. Magnetic insert rings, integrated dust collection, easy installation, and a vibration-resistant locking mechanism make it a professional upgrade for any router table. BOSCH Biscuit Joiner. The BOSCH Biscuit Joiner lineup, featuring the cordless GFF18V-22 and the corded GFF22A, delivers exceptional precision, power, and versatility for creating strong wood joints. Both models offer tool-free adjustments for depth, height, and angle, along with durable aluminum guides for accurate alignment. Their high-performance motors ensure fast, clean cuts across hardwood, softwood, plywood, and more. With efficient dust extraction, smooth plunge action, and robust safety features, these joiners provide reliable, professional-grade results for any woodworking project. ArtyMaster Mini Wood Lathe. The ArtyMaster Mini Wood Lathe is a compact yet powerful benchtop tool built for precision DIY woodworking. Its high-torque motor provides smooth, infinitely variable speed control, making it ideal for shaping wood, POM plastic, and even soft metals. With its brushed steel and aluminum alloy body, it delivers excellent stability, minimal vibration, and quiet operation under 65 decibels. The WM101A+. Model supports 8-inch projects and includes a full accessory set for turning, drilling, cutting, and polishing in small workshops. Helivivfy Edge Banding Machine. The Helivivfy Edge Banding Machine is a versatile, portable tool designed for professional quality edge finishing on straight, curved, and irregular surfaces. With dual-sided gluing, variable speed control, and smart temperature regulation, it delivers strong, seamless bonds on materials like PVC, ABS, melamine, and wood veneer. Its powerful 1200 to 2000 watt motor ensures fast heating, while the optional desktop platform adds stability for larger projects. Some kits even include integrated trimming tools, making it a complete edge banding solution for any workshop. Kreg MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig. The Kreg MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig is a precision-focused tool that lets woodworkers create strong mortise and tenon joints using any standard drill, no router required. Its auto-indexing step-down mechanism ensures accurate depth with every pass, while micro-adjustment screws let you fine-tune mortise width for a perfect tenon fit. With an integrated mini work surface, durable aluminum and steel construction, dust collection, and compatibility with multiple tenon sizes, it's ideal for panel, edge, and 90-degree joinery. SKIL Router Tool Combo Kit. The SKIL Router Tool Combo Kit delivers power, precision, and versatility for both beginners and serious woodworkers. The standout RT132-2-00 features a strong 14-amp motor, variable speed control, and both fixed and plunge bases for detailed edge work, inlays, and smooth material removal. For benchtop setups, the RT132-3-01 kit adds a sturdy router table with above table height adjustment, integrated storage, and a wide aluminum fence for clean, reliable routing. GOINGMAKE Table Saw Miter Gauge. The GOINGMAKE Table Saw. Miter gauge is a high-precision accessory built for woodworkers who demand accuracy and repeatability. Its micro-adjustable flip stop offers readings as fine as 0.001 inches, while the zero calibration knob ensures fast, tool-free alignment. With 11 positive angle stops and a wide -60 degrees to 60 degrees range, it delivers dependable angle control. The telescoping fence extends up to 36 inches, and the adjustable miter bar ensures a smooth, play-free fit on most saws. Work IQ Vise. The Work IQ Vise is a versatile 360-degree articulating bench vise designed for precision and adaptability. Its ball and socket design allows infinite positioning, while the quick cam locking system ensures fast, secure adjustments. With high torque capability, durable steel and aluminum construction, and multifunctional flex fit (TM) jaws, it can handle delicate or irregular workpieces. Interchangeable jaws, IQ Connect accessory compatibility, and flexible mounting options make it perfect for woodworkers, metalworkers, and DIY enthusiasts seeking ultimate control and convenience in their projects. VEVOR Power Benchtop Planer. The VEVOR Power Benchtop Planer is a robust woodworking tool designed for precision and efficiency. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor and a 13-inch wide work table, it handles both hard and soft woods with ease. Its dual roller feeding system ensures smooth, consistent board advancement, while cutter head options provide either 3-knife or spiral finishes. Adjustable depth control, dual feed speeds, and efficient dust collection enhance usability. Built with durable materials and a portable design, it's ideal for professional and hobbyist workshops alike. (3M Xtract Electric Random Orbital Sander). The 3M Xtract Electric Random Orbital Sander is a high-performance, ergonomic sander designed for maximum dust extraction and a flawless, swirl-free finish. Its 350-watt motor delivers consistent power, while variable speeds, 4,000 to 10,000 RPM, adapt to different materials. Lightweight and compact at just 3 pounds, it features a soft touch grip, durable construction, and the hook-it attachment system for quick disc changes. Optimized for woodworking, metal, gel coat, and composite sanding, it connects easily to 3M Xtract dust systems removing up to 99% of dust. Fisch Black Drill Bit Set. Fisch Black Drill Bit Sets, including the Black Shark Forstner bits and Black Oxide HSS twist bits, deliver precision, durability, and clean results for woodworking. The Black Shark bits feature wave cutter, technology for faster, low-friction cuts, splinter-free holes, and precise centering. Made from high-quality steel with no slip shanks, they handle wood, MDF, plywood, and composites. Fisch Black Oxide twist bits offer corrosion resistance, a centering tip, and versatility for wood, acrylic, and soft metals, ensuring long-lasting, reliable performance. GOINGMAKE Parallel Guide System. The GOINGMAKE Parallel Guide System is a precision track saw accessory that ensures fast, accurate, and repeatable rip cuts. Featuring micro-adjustable flip stops with 0.001 inch accuracy, a zero calibration knob for effortless setup, and dual imperial/metric scales. It saves time and reduces waste. Its wide cutting capacity, up to 53 inches, and modular T-track design provide versatility, while durable aluminum construction ensures stability. Compatible with major track saw brands, it integrates seamlessly with other GOINGMAKE accessories for professional precise woodworking results. Genmitsu CNC Router Milling Machine. The Genmitsu CNC router milling machines are compact, desktop-friendly routers designed for hobbyists and makers. Featuring durable all-metal frames, GRBL-based control systems, and wide material compatibility, from wood and plastics to soft metals, they combine precision with versatility. Models like the 3018 PRO, 302, 0 PRO Ultra, and 4040 PRO Max offer powerful spindles, modular upgrades, and optional offline controllers. Users can expand capabilities with laser modules, 4-axis rotaries,
or larger work areas, making Genmitsu machines ideal for engraving, cutting, and advanced DIY CNC projects.
The Original Log Wizard. The Original Log Wizard is a versatile chainsaw attachment that transforms your chainsaw into a multi-purpose tool for debarking, planing, notching, and post-sharpening. Its durable steel drum, ball-bearing construction, and wide cutting surface make tough jobs easier, while the lightweight design ensures easy handling. Compatible with most chainsaws, it features quick installation and an efficient blade system that's easy to sharpen or replace. Ideal for log cleaning, furniture making, timber notching, and general carpentry, it's a must-have for woodworkers and sawmill operators. WEN 5-in-1 Pneumatic Multifunction Tool. The WEN 5-in-1 Pneumatic Multifunction Tool, Model 61635, is a versatile, air-powered tool designed for demolition, remodeling, and landscaping. Featuring 5 interchangeable heads, including shovel, scraper, flat wide and narrow chisels, and pointed chisel, it delivers up to 2,100 beats per minute for tackling tough materials like brick, tile, and rock. Lightweight aluminum construction and an ergonomic design reduce fatigue, while pneumatic operation ensures powerful performance. The tool includes air tool oil for maintenance and is backed by a 2-year warranty. Flex 2.5-inch Finish Nailer Tool. The Flex 2.5-inch Finish Nailer is a powerful cordless tool available in 15 gauge, angled and 16 gauge straight models. Running on the Flex 24-volt lithium-ion battery platform, it delivers pneumatic-like performance with up to 3 nails per second. Features include tool-free jam clearance, quick depth adjustment, dual firing modes, triple LED lights, dry fire lockout, and a compact lightweight design for tight spaces. With a reversible belt clip and brushless motor, it's ideal for precision finishing and extended use on any job site. Rockler SpeedCope Crown Molding Jig. The Rockler SpeedCope Crown Molding Jig makes creating precise cope joints in crown, base, and chair moldings effortless. Its stable jigsaw platform holds pieces securely, while the adjustable design accommodates moldings up to 7 1/4 inches wide. The reversible unit handles left and right hand joints, various miter angles, and flat cuts. Built from durable aluminum and phenolic materials, it offers long-lasting stability. User-friendly guidance via an included DVD and versatile mounting options on a workbench or sawhorse ensure efficient, accurate installations every time. PreAsion Portable Hinge Drilling Machine. The PreAsion Portable Hinge Drilling Machine is a compact electric-powered tool designed for fast and precise hinge drilling on cabinet doors and wardrobes. Its 1,100 watt motor delivers 2,880 revolutions per minute for efficient drilling of a 35mm hinge cup and 2 3mm screw holes simultaneously, featuring adjustable depth 0 to 40mm, a built-in scale for accuracy, and a gas spring press for easy one-handed operation. It combines durability with portability. Safety switches, overcurrent protection, and replaceable drill bits enhance usability and versatility. POWERTEC Portable Dust Collector. The POWERTEC Portable Dust Collector is a compact yet high-performance solution for small to medium workshops. Equipped with a 1 horsepower or 1.5 horsepower motor, it delivers powerful airflow, up to 1,550 cubic feet per minute, for capturing fine dust and large wood chips. Its high-efficiency 1-micron filter ensures cleaner air, while the vortex base enhances suction efficiency. With a mobile steel base, user-friendly collection bags, single or dual inlets, and durable construction, this dust collector combines portability, convenience, and long-lasting performance for any workshop.